Hello dear viewers, welcome back to the Feng Shui Theory channel. I am Master Paws and today we'll continue our exciting journey into human chi through the eyes of Bazi, the four pillars of destiny. Buckle up, and let's dive right in. Understanding Bazi is akin to having a GPS for the soul's journey. Charting the highways and byways of your unique personality, instead of leading you to chests of gold or pirate booty. It reveals why you, for instance, insist on having pineapple on your pizza or why you sing ballads in the shower. It's a thrilling expedition, highlighting the unique traits, interests, and puzzles that define you. Think of it as more than a regular horoscope. It's like a customized roadmap that really gets what makes you unique. With Bazi, you can look into your future and discover exciting things, like what you're good at and what might be tough for you. In this report, you'll find 11 comprehensive sections. And if things ever seem overwhelming, don't worry, this video is here to guide you every step of the way. Section 1 includes your personal input data for the DIY report, ensuring an accurate and personalized analysis. It's like making sure your coffee has just the right amount of sugar tailored to your taste. Section 2 calculates the lunar date and hour based on the input data, as well as identifies your Chinese zodiac sign, offering insights into your overall personality traits. Ever thought of why you're the life of the party? Maybe it's the rooster in you, or perhaps the sly rat. Let's find out. Section 3 uncovers your natural abilities and ways of thinking by looking at the Destiny Palace. The Life Palace shows what might be coming in your future and how you could change your destiny with some hard work. The Conception Palace, although not as central to the report, helps you learn about a person's true nature, the way they were before even being born. Section 4 is the heart of this report, as it contains the 4 pillars chart. It's like a selfie of your soul, showcasing your characteristics, strengths, and relationship with everything around you. Section 5 delves into combinations, interactions that reveal hidden potential or challenges. Think of them as the unexpected sprinkles on your favorite donut. Section 6 breaks down the 12 stages of development in your life. It's like a weather forecast for your entire existence, with sunshine, storms, and everything in between. Section 7 examines personality and talents. Ever felt you were born to be a rock star or a scientist? This section might just have the answers to your calling. Section 8 emphasizes the balance of the 5 elements, helping you mix and match the Feng Shui elements like a pro chef with spices, creating harmony in your life. Section 9 investigates Shinsha, those tricky combinations that influence destiny. Think of them as the surprise plot twists in the movie of your life. Section 10 looks at the great cycle, the roller coaster ride of fortune and misfortune. Fasten your seatbelt, it's an exciting journey with ups and downs. Lastly, Section 11 describes the potential events for the next 10 years. It's like having a sneak peek at the script of your life's next episodes, empowering you to perform like the star you are. By diving into this comprehensive Bazi analysis, you'll be able to navigate your destiny like a captain with a celestial map, steering through life's uncharted waters with the grace of a seasoned sailor. With Bazi as your compass, uncertainties give way to insights, and fate becomes a journey you can chart with clarity and confidence. Prepare to set sail on a voyage of self-discovery, your destiny awaits. Explore fengshui-theory.com today, and begin your journey to enrich your life and the lives of your loved ones through the wisdom of Feng Shui. And hey, don't forget to check the description for a special coupon code that might just add a little extra sparkle to your Feng Shui adventure. If you found value in this video, do leave a thumbs up by liking, sharing, and hitting that subscribe button. Thank you for joining our Feng Shui adventure today. Until next time, keep your spirits high and minds open. See you in the next video. Meow for now.